Hello guys, this is Solanki and today we'll be talking about ChatGPT, a super cool and incredibly useful tool that you can use for all sorts of things. But let's take a step back and understand what it really is. Simply put, it's a chatbot that uses artificial intelligence to generate responses which are human-like, and you can ask it whatever you want. So whether you're looking for information, advice, or just a conversation partner, ChatGPT has it all covered. Now, you might be wondering, how is it different from other chatbots out there? Well, the main key difference is that ChatGPT uses a powerful language model called GPT-3. This allows it to understand and respond to a wide range of questions and topics, giving you a more natural and engaging conversation experience. So, what can you use ChatGPT for? Now, to give you a surprise, this entire script that I just read out was actually written by ChatGPT. I will also be playing around with it throughout the video, so make sure to watch this video till the end and subscribe to this channel, like this video if you like it already. Okay, so in order to use ChatGPT, you need to go over to chat.openai.com and /chat. So over here, you'll see ChatGPT model. Now, I had already told you guys that the YouTube script that I was reading from was actually written by ChatGPT. So over here, I'd given it a prompt, which was write a YouTube script explaining what ChatGPT is and how we can use it. And it gave me an entire script for it because I didn't use the entire thing, but I closed it over here. So the next thing that I wanted to show you guys is what else can we do with ChatGPT, right? So the first thing that we can do is actually make it write code. Let's say, for example, I wanted to write a smart contract in Solidity, right? So let me just type it out. Write a smart contract in Solidity. So let's make it interact with Uniswap and basically make trades and all of these things. So let's say it interacts with Uniswap contracts in order to make trades. Okay, so write a smart contract in Solidity which interacts with Uniswap contracts in order to make trades automatically. Let's see what does it do. Okay, so it is writing a smart contract. Okay, Solidity version 0.8, which is the latest version. um, I don't think the import is correct. Is the import correct? Let's see. Let's open this. Yeah, the import is not right, but let's see what does it write. Okay, it has given us a constructor. After that, it has given us a function of making a trade. So basically you need to interact with this particular function in order to make any kind of trade. So token A, token B, so which two tokens you want to swap, everything is written, and it has also given us the entire. Let's write something else. Write a JavaScript code for fetching the largest number from. So over here it's giving me the code which is for write a JavaScript code for finding the largest number from n numbers. Okay, so find largest number. Okay, it's going through a loop of n numbers, so the total number of numbers that we've provided to it, and it's logging out the largest number as well. So these are the numbers that have been inputted, and this is the largest number. But over here I want to change it to JavaScript code for finding the largest number from n numbers given by the user, right? So it will also take in the input from the user. Let's see if it does that. Okay, enter a series of numbers separated by spaces. Yes, it takes in the numbers, it maps it, and it also gives you the largest number. Perfect. So that's exactly what I wanted. Basically, it helps you write any kind of codes that you want. It helps you write any kind of copy material. For example, if you want to write YouTube scripts, if you want to write a LinkedIn post describing my experience at a recent Web3 event which was held in India. Okay, let's see how it goes. Hi everyone, I recently attended the Web3 event in India and wanted to share my experience with you. Everything is written over here. And there it is. It has written the entire post for me. And of course, this is not in depth to my experience, but if I keep on detailing the prompt, it will give us a detailed answer as well. So over here, if I write, for example, a recent Web3 event, ETH India hackathon, where a lot of developers were present and which was held in India. Okay, now let's see how it writes it. I wanted to share my experience at the recent ETH India hackathon. It was an amazing. So it has written me an entire LinkedIn post. So you can just imagine the amount of power that this particular chat GPT has with it. Okay, but this is not it, right? So there are a lot of things that you can do when it comes to text. The best part is writing a rap song. Let's see how it goes. Me a rap song about blockchain. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it's dividing it to verses and chorus. Okay, blockchain, the new frontier, decentralized way to store data. So there are like three verses, chorus, and there's an outro as well. But let's change it a bit. Let's make it fast, high beat rap song about blockchain. Okay, because the rhyming schemes weren't that great. Over here you can see down, now, hard, star. That's exactly what I wanted. I mean, if you're someone who is doing any kind of writing on the internet right now, you can use ChatGPT for almost all of it. But how can we forget about our college assignments? If you have any kind of college assignments, you want to get it done, ChatGPT is there for you. I've actually done some of my college assignments just yesterday by using ChatGPT for it. To give you an example, I had write me trigger commands for SQL. Okay, so this was one of my assignments that I wanted to submit, and over here you can see the entire submission that I made was actually through ChatGPT. I hope my college isn't watching this, but yeah. But let's expand on this. So let's type in write me codes in SQL for trigger commands, because I just don't want to know about these things but also want the codes along with it as well. Okay, there it is. Create trigger is right over here. I can actually copy this code and that's it. Okay, so we have all the triggers right over here. Create trigger. We have it explaining the code that it has written as well. So if your teachers or someone tells you that, okay, explain the code that you've written, you can actually copy this thing and paste it wherever you want. So basically it can do everything that you do while typing. So it can control your keyboard and it has a brain of its own, right? Okay, so you saw about college assignments, you saw about YouTube video scripts, you even saw about rap songs. But the next thing that I want to show is something really unique, which is write me a sad movie script, which includes a boy and a girl. Let's see how it goes. It has given in a title as well, Broken Hearted. Cafe Day, Jessica sitting and staring out of the window. It has actual like conversations and every single thing. And it fades in, it fades out, the end, everything is written over here. I think it's for a breakup or something, but I'm not sure. Like, it's so amazing to just see that you can write anything that you want with ChatGPT. Now, if you want the entire script to be written with different characters, so say for example, replace Josh with Ali, and we won't replace Jessica. Let's keep this. So it will actually just replace Josh with Ali, and over here you can see Ali, hey Jessica, and all that. And even when Jessica is using Josh's name or wherever it is, which is in this last line, it will change it to Ali. Over here you can see. right? So this is quite amazing. It understands what you're trying to say and it actually does it in practice. So what do you think about ChatGPT? Did you guys like it? What else are you going to try with ChatGPT, or anything that you found interesting? Let me know in the comment section below. Any prompts that you saw, gave some amazing results. Let me know in the comment section. Apart from that, what do you think? How will this affect the industry as a whole? Would copywriters' jobs be in danger because of ChatGPT? What would happen next? How would it change the landscape of people working in the industry? I think that you would see a lot of people spamming all over social media because of this powerful feature now available. And I also think that it will have really good advantages. For example, we would be able to complete weeks long work in just 1 hour or 2 hours. So yeah, that's what I'm looking forward for. Even I will be using ChatGPT for a lot of my work, including writing LinkedIn posts, even writing some of my YouTube scripts, especially the start part of it. So yeah, let's see how it goes, and I will share some updates regarding this along with you. Keep following me on Instagram and all my other social media platforms as well, and I'll see you in the next video.